Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, and welcome to School of Gold. Today we are going to focus on a quiz. Okay, so get your pencils ready. Here we go. What 2 consecutive months add up to 62 days? What 2 consecutive months add up to 62 days? Consecutive just means right next to each other. So, the answer is, have you got it? July and August. July has 31 days. August has 31 days. So the 2 consecutive months add up to 62 days. If you said December and January, you would also be correct, because December and January are also consecutive months. But if the question said in 1 calendar year, you would always do July and August. Alright. Question number 2. Name the first 4 prime numbers. Name the first 4 prime numbers. Alright. Let's go. 2 is a prime number. 2, 3, 5, and 7 are the first 4 prime numbers. Alright, here we go. What is Australia's largest state by population? What is Australia's largest state by population? Have you got it? New South Wales. Oh, well done. It is not Sydney. Sydney is not a state. Okay. What is Australia's capital city? Have you got it? Australia's capital city is Canberra. Canberra is in the ACT, Australian Capital Territory. Okay. Here's another question. Name 2 countries in Europe. 2 countries in Europe. If you said Paris, you would be incorrect, because Paris is a city. Paris is like Sydney. It's not a country. So, 2 countries in Europe would be France, England, Germany, lots of different countries in Europe. Then next question, we're getting harder and harder now. Name the continents of the world. And a continent is a group of countries. I'll give you a clue. Australia is a continent, but it's also a country. So Australia, there's 1. Think about the bottom of Australia. There is another country, a continent. Alright, here we go. We have Australia, Antarctica, North America, where you have America and Canada, South America, where you have Brazil, Argentina, where you have Africa, where you have South Africa down the bottom and Zimbabwe, so Africa is 1. So far you had Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, Asia, of course, Asia, Europe. Alright, and there's your 7. Okay, just remember, continents are a group of countries except Australia and Antarctica. Okay, Here's another one. What temperature in degrees Celsius does water boil? What temperature does water boil in degrees Celsius? And it is 100 degrees Celsius. And for the clever cookers out there, what temperature in degrees Celsius does water freeze? 0 degrees Celsius, that's right. And did you know, in some parts of the world, in North America, or the Northern Hemisphere, it gets to below 0 degrees Celsius in winter every day. That is like stepping into a freezer and living in those conditions every single day. Now that is cold. Okay, one last question. How many sides does 7 triangles have? How many sides does 7 triangles have? Okay, the first thing we need to work out is how many sides a triangle has. That is 3. So 7 times 3 equals 21. Boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed that little quiz. And remember, if you are unsure, just keep on clicking to School of Gold.